All right, here we go with the July 16th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East back in the saddle this morning after a couple of weeks off, spending some time, a nice road trip across parts of the Midwestern part of the country. Had some really nice weather to enjoy on that road trip for a lot of the trip, some cooler air up around the Great Lakes and the Northern Plains, and then back into the heat and humidity as we went down through parts of the Tennessee Valley and the Ohio Valley and back into the Carolinas. And certainly the heat and humidity prevalent across the Carolinas over the weekend. I'll get into that in just a moment. All right. Tropical update time. We'll start with a look at Beryl. And of course, that is now a post-tropical cyclone. No longer getting advisories issued on Beryl, just a remnant swirl there over the North Atlantic Ocean. So we're done with Beryl. And otherwise, across the Atlantic Basin, pretty quiet. And we have a big upper level ridge that's going to be setting up shop here across a lot of the Atlantic Basin over the next week or so. So that means the chances for any significant tropical development moving forward here over the next 4 or 5 days are quite minimal. And some weather changes underway in the eastern part of the country. Here we are today, but notice this trough diving into the eastern part of the country. That's going to drive a cold front our way, pretty active today and tomorrow with scattered thunderstorms, and then a bit of a break from the humidity and the storms for the midweek period. More on that in just a second. These were your numbers yesterday. It was a hot Sunday across the region. Triad area, entirely in the 90s. 97 in Burlington, in fact. Charlotte viewing region, foothills and Piedmont largely in the 90s, and lower 80s up in the high country. Hey, let's take a look along the coast this morning. Not bad at all. We'll look at Beaufort this morning. It's a warm and muggy start to the day. The temperature at 79 degrees there. Outer Banks doing okay this morning. There's Rodanthe, Atlantic Ocean there on the right-hand side of your screen. The temperature at 79. Around the Triad viewing area, let's take a peek at Winston-Salem State University this morning. Some decaying storms fell apart at 3 o'clock or so in the morning. Around Forsyth County, temperature there is 73. And let's look at our Charlotte area, Charlotte viewing area cameras. Take a peek here at uptown Charlotte. Looking pretty good this morning. 77, very muggy start to the day. All right, the temperatures this morning, very humid, 60s and 70s, 70s in most spots outside of the mountains. We had, again, that decaying area of thunderstorms that lingered through parts of Davidson and Forsyth County overnight. That fell apart. Some lingering areas of light rain in the mountains that are generally weakening. But as we get deeper into the day, we will have scattered showers and thunderstorms firing as we get into the afternoon hours. All right, there's the next cold front working through the plain states. As that front drives southeastward, we'll be seeing a lot of showers and storms firing ahead of that front over much of the eastern and southern part of the country. So certainly some pretty active stuff once again, as is often the case this time of year. In our area, no different. I think here in the Carolinas, we have a lot of those slow-moving scattered showers and thunderstorms on the way as we go through this afternoon. This afternoon features that opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs look like that across the region this afternoon. Tomorrow, much the same as that cold front arrives, some scattered thunderstorms. There's our Tuesday high temperatures. And then we get behind that front on Wednesday. So a lot of us with some lower humidity air. Now, lower South Carolina, not the case, but a lot of the Carolinas with some drier air, lower rain chances, highs that look like that. Wednesday and Thursday looks pretty comparable before we bring back in the scattered storms over the weekend. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.